Zealand. So today, let's make submissions for the 8th. And the obvious choice is Milford Sound. It's more than just the North and South Island.
Whoa. Why don't we visit some of these places?
That way, you can see them for yourselves.
Are we going to be in a safety video?
Kia ora, and welcome aboard this Air New Zealand flight.
It's important you obey all crew member instructions, placards and illuminated signs. All loose items should be stowed in the overhead locker or under the seat in front of you. Seat belts fit low and tight across your hips. Keep them on throughout the flight. If you need to get up, simply lift the lever like so. If the seatbelt sign lights up, return to your seat and buckle up.
If an emergency were to happen during takeoff or landing, tighten your seatbelts and place your forehead against the seat in front. Put your feet back and firmly on the floor and hold your lower legs. If there's no seat in front of you, or it's too far away, put one hand over the other on top of your head, elbows on either side of your legs, feet back and firmly on the floor.
Okay, my submission is the coolest 8th wonder there is.
See what I see? If you need air, oxygen masks will fall from above. If you're wearing a personal face mask or face covering, remove it before fitting your oxygen mask. Just pull down on the mask, place it over your nose and mouth, and tighten by pulling both sides of the elastic. Don't worry if the bag doesn't inflate, oxygen will flow easily. Make sure your own mask is fitted before assisting others.
I see you, Glaciers, and I raise you this. It's pretty wonderful.
Your life jacket is within easy reach. It's under your seat. They're easy to fasten sitting down. Just rip back the tag, place it over your head, clip the straps together, and tighten. Only pull on the red tab to inflate after you've exited the aircraft. For more inflation, blow into the mouthpiece.
We've got life jackets for everyone, even infants.
Hang on, the 8th wonder's just a quick flight from Invercargill. I don't want to brag, but this seafood, mwah!
While the smoked salmon here might be the best in the world, smoking is not allowed anywhere on this flight, including the lavatories. Using and charging e-cigarettes is also prohibited.
Once you've had your dinner, it's time for the show. The Aurora Australis.
If we need to evacuate the aircraft, emergency escape path lighting will show you the way to the exit. Look up, your crew are now pointing out your exits. They could be behind you. Count the rows to your nearest exit. If we do need to evacuate, leave your bags behind.
This 8th wonder of the world is known as Te Wāhi Tuatahi o Tau, ka kitea te whitinga o te rā. This is going on my friend.
Lightweight handheld electronic devices can be used at any time, but must be switched to flight mode first. Wi-Fi is not available on this aircraft, but feel free to use Bluetooth. Please switch to flight mode first, then turn on Bluetooth. For more information, ask your flight attendant. And remember, cellular functions must remain off at all times. Ensure handheld devices are secured in your hand, in your clothing, or seat pocket. If you lose your device in the seat, please call your flight attendant for help. Stow larger items in the overhead locker or in a bag underneath the seat in front. For more information, have a look at the safety card in the seat pocket in front of you, or ask your flight attendant.
So, do we have a decision?
Franz Joseph Glacier.
New Zealand! It's the whole country!
Aotearoa, the 8th wonder of the world.
Works for me.
Sure, bro, that's the one.
As you can see, there's so many wonders in Aotearoa.
And to all our passengers, thanks for flying Air New Zealand.
Next on the agenda, yeah, nah. Does it mean yeah or nah?
Thank you, but it turns too much now. We're seated for takeoff.
I splurged on like green sunberries. So I was like, okay, that'll be my like.
I found you on TikTok and for some reason I moved it.
It's always like in a random angle. Like, this is so loud.